Maintaining a perfect 5.0 rating on WooCommerce is no small feat, but one app has done it effortlessly. Let's dive into why the Product Recommendation Quiz app by Revenue Hunt is a game changer for WooCommerce merchants. Imagine an online store that helps customers find their perfect product automatically. That's exactly what the Product Recommendation Quiz app does. It guides customers through a fun and interactive quiz, suggesting products tailored to their needs, just like a personal shopping assistant. So, what makes WooCommerce merchants rate the Product Recommendation Quiz app a perfect 5.0? Let's take a closer look at the top 6 reasons users can't stop raving about it. A great product is only as good as the support behind it, and this app excels in customer service. Whether it's a minor question or a technical issue, the support team is always quick to respond and incredibly helpful. Whether you're launching your first store or managing a complex e-commerce site, this app adapts to your needs. It's packed with features that allow you to build highly customized quizzes while remaining intuitive and easy to use. Not all e-commerce store owners have coding skills, and that's okay. This app is built with ease of use in mind. Just drag, drop, and customize. You'll have your first quiz up and running in no time. At the heart of any great e-commerce tool is its ability to drive results, and this app does exactly that. Merchants have used it to generate hundreds of leads, improve conversions, and increase product sales. High-quality tools don't have to come with a high price tag. The Product Recommendation Quiz app offers a free plan, and the WooCommerce version is just $29 per year, a fraction of what other premium quiz solutions charge. Every brand is different, and this app ensures your quizzes reflect your unique style. From branding elements to product tagging and conditional logic, you have complete control over how your quizzes look and function. So, is this app right for you? If you run an online store and want to boost conversions, yes! A 5.0 rating doesn't happen by accident. It happens when an app delivers real results. The Product Recommendation Quiz app helps merchants drive sales, engage customers, and create a personalized shopping experience, all while being easy to use and affordable. Want to see it in action? Click the link below and start your free trial today. Looking for more tips on e-commerce growth and optimization? Check out the Revenue Hunt blog for expert insights, strategies, and success stories.